Oh, where are these sunglasses from, you ask? Well, lucky you asked, because today I'm doing a Zaful haul again for you guys. Woohoo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today I'm doing another Zaful haul because Zaful is the best website in the whole fucking world for clothes. It is such good value, super good clothing, always the right size. Almost always. I'll get to that later. And I am super lucky and super grateful for them sponsoring me and giving me clothes to try out for my channel, so thank you so much to Zaful for all their kindness towards me. So I have a bunch of clothes from Zaful that I'm going to show you guys today by trying them on and talking about them and reviewing them as well, honestly, for you guys, because this is an honest review. There's no lying here, even though it is spawn. Thanks. I get asked about sizes sometimes. Everything I have here is size S, except a few things are definitely not S, but I will get to them later. So right now I'm actually wearing stuff from Zaful. I'm wearing this cute tartan kind of plaid top and these adorable sunglasses that I will get onto now in the video. And as always, all the links to each product I have right now will be linked in my description, so if you like any of the clothes I have today, you can check them out for yourselves and get them on Zaful's website, linked in my description below. So I'm gonna just start with the accessories because I only got 2 accessory things. So the sunglasses are now coming in these little Zaful box things, so that's pretty cute. I got these ones that I'm wearing right now, which I have to go like there to show you, are this yellow, kind of tiny, they're actually quite small, kind of cat eye ones, and they're super in at the moment, these kind of sunglasses. So I thought they were really cute to get. So I got them. I did a photo shoot with these recently on my Instagram, so check out my Instagram if you want to see my pics. I like them. They go with this top I'm wearing right now actually, so living for them. And then I also got the exact same ones in a blue colour, which I haven't worn yet. These ones are very like glasses-y kind of. And I also got the exact same ones in a blue kind of tint. These are super glasses-y like compared to sunglasses, but they're still cute, so I'll be wearing these as well with some kind of blue outfits. They are the exact same style, as you can probably tell. And this one has a white rim, this one doesn't. I kind of wish this one had a white rim. Moving on to the clothing, I got a load of cute crop tops. I'm going to start with this one. It is so adorable. I absolutely love it. It's embroidered. It's a white tube top. So it's like a square, basically just a small little square. And it's white and it says, "Enjoy your problems" on it. I think that is so cute. There's some cherries. And it is like embroidered on with like whatever that's called, embroidery. It's super cute. I love it. I can't wait to wear this. It reminds me of Almighty. The next top I got is this super cute stripy one. It is quite like emo or goth or something, which is me as well. It's just like a crop top. I love these kind of style crop tops for like just wearing when it's not that hot but not that cold. And it's really good quality. It's a ringer kind of style and I just love this one so much. I've already worn this a few times out because it's super cute and it's nice. Next thing I got was a bodysuit, which I might have worn on Instagram already. If you follow me on Instagram, once again, Power, follow me. It is this amazing bodysuit that is my probably favorite thing in the whole haul. It says "In the Mood for Love" on it, and it has stripes on either side, which I really think was really cool. I love striped kind of shit. It's like Adidas or something. And it is just the bodysuit. It ties at the bottom with these little button things, and it is super cute. It could be a little tighter if it really wants to be perfect, but I'm very small, so I can't really complain if stuff isn't exactly tight on me all the time. So absolutely loved this. In the Mood for Love in the bodysuit section in Zaful. So the next thing I got was this crop top, which is too big for me and I'm so sad. I'm going to be altering this somehow to fit me because I want to wear it for Pride this year, but it still has the tag on. I don't even take the tag off because I haven't worn this. This is supposed to be an S. Honestly, this is not an S. This is an M to an L. I honestly think this tube top would not fit someone that's an S. Like, look at it on me. Like, that's my boob and it's out here, so no thank you. Anyway, it's just this really cute rainbow bandeau top. I've seen a few of these going around. I really liked the style of them. And there's a zip up and it has a tiny little star on it, so I think that is really cute. If only it fit me, but I'm going to alter it somehow so it fits me because I really want to wear it for Pride and in life, probably for the festival as well, but yeah, if it was like this size it'd be better. But yeah, so cute little zip of a star as well. I think that's really cute. The next top I got is a cheetah print bandeau as well, tube top, whatever you want to call it. It's more of a tube top than a bandeau. And it's just cheetah and it has black rims and I think it is super cute. I don't know what way I'm holding it. I think it goes this way. It's a little bit loose, could be a bit tighter, but I love it. I love cheetah print anything at the moment. I have cheetah print leggings that I wear every single day of my life. I need to get more, but yeah, absolutely love cheetah print at the moment. The first cohort I got, I'm actually wearing the top of it right now. It is a tartan skirt and top. The skirt is here and it matches the outfit like this, but unfortunately this is probably my most unsuccessful Zaful haul in sizing wise. The first 2 times were amazing, everything was perfect. This time this stuff is a little big for me, and it's not just me shrinking because this is definitely not a size S. The top is perfect, the top is amazing, but the skirt is definitely too big. But other than that, I'm going to alter it and it's going to be perfect when it fits me, so I am very happy about this set. I can't wait to wear it to like Reading or something. And it actually would match my sunglasses super well, so I'd be super kawaii and adorable. And it also has pockets at the side, which I think is cute. And it's just zip up at the back, so cute. It reminds me of Clueless, that movie, so we'll be altering this when I have the chance, even though I can't, so I just make my mom do them for me. I think I just got tube tops in this haul, like I just realized I have another tube top here for you guys. It is a camo orange print. I wore this in Dublin a few weeks ago when I met Adore Delano, my bae. So it's just a camo, army print, whatever, orange bandeau. Camo is still quite in. It was in a lot more like before, but I think it's still pretty in. The pants and stuff that everyone was wearing, I just think it's super cute. And I wore it with an orange bandana, and it is a good size. It fits me fine. It could do some of that boob tape on the inside to make sure it never fell down, but yeah. This top has like elastic in it, which makes it really stretchy and stuff. I wish the other ones had more elasticity in them, because then they would be perfect, but you can't have everything, can you? And now I have another 2 cords to show you guys. This one I'm wearing the bottoms of right now because I was too lazy to put on other shorts. It is a tag is still on because I am crazy, I didn't take it off. It is an off the shoulder pink one, and it kind of like meshes at the sleeves. It has mesh in between the sleeves, so it's quite funky, and it is just a size S as usual, and it is definitely a good size on me. Perfect size, not too big, really good fit, and it's got cute little bottoms. They're kind of loose shorts, kind of look like a little candy fairy girl in it, so I'll definitely wear this to the festival on one of the colder days with like some glitter or something in my hair or something. And then moving on to the last set of the day, it is this super vintage looking one. I have a similar one that is like silk from Almighty, and I wore it on my Instagram. You might remember, follow me on Instagram. Woo! That's the 3rd plug. Yeah, it is this adorable loose shorts. They're orange. I really am liking orange at the moment. I have a good few orange things in this haul, to be fair. And the top is this exact same style as the other one I was wearing, and you just tie it with a bow in the front, and the back is like elastic, which I liked. And it is the cutest little set ever for like a beach holiday or something. I definitely want to get pics of this in like the beach with like an ice cream or something. It's super like old fashioned. I don't know what era this was from because I'm shit at that, but it's definitely like inspired. So guys, that's all the items I have to show you guys today. I hope you liked my haul video. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel down below, and you can leave a comment, and you can like the video also because it helps me out a lot. Follow me on all my social media, will be linked below. My Twitter, my Instagram, and my email for business opportunities. No fan mail and no weird people in the emails because you just get reported as spam. I will be back with another video soon. I hope you guys are having a good day, good week, good month, good life. And I will see you the next time I make a video. And as I always say, shop on Zaful, do your squats, don't let boys be mean to you, and I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.